Belly Jimadi Bezia Jackazo, well, and you know, say north, just south, right? And you know, say south, yeah, you do a better. Come on, man, come on, what do I meet here? I'm not by him, fair. Aha, you come here and me, I get a very Belly Jimadi Bezia Jackazo. Now you're cracking week or buy a host and win, and I'll buy a host and win. Not about host and win. Can you host and win?
Yes.
Are you well prepared?
Yes.
Are you very sure?
Yes.
What about if you don't win?
We will win.
You are going to win.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Very optimistic about that.
Yes.
Very show us what you can do this year. We are going to follow you to listen to know if you can make it up. Hello.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
What's your name?
Mavis Doga.
Auntie Mavis. Odakun Ojinua every SSB. What this year Ellembelle Science Math Quiz. Ojinua SSB. Oboka Menmo Bella Soniane, Molly and Nella. She's participating. And what school do you attend?
Akoto Arakpake.
Okay, Akoto Aruakpake. School as well know about Hababonua, Nabe school come. Are you prepared for this year election examination?
Yes.
Are you very sure?
Yes.
Are you very sure?
Yes.
Is your school winning?
Yes.
Methodist said they are winning, no? Are you also winning?
Yes.
So, okay, very well. Let me get closer to my big boy here. Big boy, how you doing?
I'm fine.
Very well. Your Methodist said they are winning. And Akoto Alakwaka also say he's winning.
Yes,
are you sure they are winning?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes,
very well. We'll get closer to their teachers to know how well their students are prepared, to know if they can make it up to the final, as the students are saying. Hello.
Hi.
Good morning.
Morning.
My
name is Precious Sabali.
Auntie Precious. Kodie.
Betty.
Yeah, Daniel Naseke Etikpakala. Echo Zone School.
Roman Catholic.
Roman Catholic Monia Kafon. Okay, I say Roman Catholic. Roman Catholic. Every but I could be Jinua. You also participated in this year Ellembelle Science Math Quiz. But Jinua specimen. And I presume they are going to make it up to the final. Let me get to the GHS girl and ask her her name and if they are winning this year. Hello, how are you doing?
I'm fine.
What's your name?
Florence.
And what school are you attending?
Roman Catholic.
Roman Catholic. Are you making it up to this year final?
Yes.
Are you sure? Are you making it up to the final?
Yes.
Very well. Methodist said they are also making up to the final. Oh. What are you telling them?
You will beat them.
You're going to beat them.
Yes.
Methodist, get yourself prepared because Roman Catholic says they are going to beat you in this year. Ellembelle Science Math Quiz. They're going to emerge the winner. Another Roman school too here. Oh sure. Okay. Hello. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Your name?
My name is Patricia Asari.
Patricia Asari. That's fine. What school do you attend?
Menziza Roman School.
Come again.
Menziza
Okay, this is Menziza Roman. You are participating this year Ellembelle Science Math Quiz. Is your school winning? Yes. Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you well prepared?
Yes.
Your teachers taught you very well.
Yes.
So you know everything that is coming, right?
Yes.
Very well. So you're going to be the winner. You make it up to the final. Very well. They also say they are making it up to the final. Whether by hook or crook, they are making it up to the final. Let's get to the. Oh, I could see Ghana school here. Is it Ghana school? Because the uniform looks extremely beautiful. Like you're all Ghanaians, right? I'm also a Ghanaian too. What's your name?
Priscilla Morgan.
Priscilla Morgan. What school is this?
Independence Baptist
It is not Ghana school. I thought it's a Ghana school. They said Independence what?
Baptist Academy.
Independence Baptist Academy. That's very nice. The headmaster, the proprietor probably could add Independence Baptist Ghana Academy because your uniform looks like a Ghanaian school. You are a Ghanaian. Are you making up to the final?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
You participated in last year's examination.
Yes.
Your school participated, right?